Hello, this is a new multiplayer third-person shooter game that I released, and it's free to download, and there's a link in the description. I'm going to show how to set the game up using LAN mode. On the host, select LAN mode and play. This will start the server on the host. Now on the client, select LAN mode and find games. And select the server. Now I'm going to show how to play the game. So first you need to get a gun. And on this character, I won't need a gun, I'm just going to shoot this guy. And that's how it works.